Hi, I'm April Rivera, and I'm here at the Bungalow on 3rd Avenue, located in Jamestown, California, just a block from Railtown State Park and historic downtown. This is a charming 2-bedroom, 1-bath, fully renovated from the roof to the beautiful kitchen. So come on inside. Let me show you around. As you enter the home, it is an open living space with your living room to the right and the dining area to the left. New cupboards, sink, counters, and appliances pull this space together nicely. I love the earthy color palette in the kitchen, from the creamy cabinets to the green shiplap and touches of brass. Also, check out the hidden dishwasher. Both bedrooms feature natural light and a connecting bathroom.